everyone, this is Lakshika from College Dekho. Today we are at Jaipur Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jaipur. JIT was established in 2009. This AICTE approved college is affiliated to Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. One of the best engineering colleges in Rajasthan provides various scholarships and the CRISIL rating of the college is BBB+. Jaipur Institute of Engineering and Technology is located at RICO Industrial Area, Delhi Road in Jaipur and is well connected to road, rail and air.
Disciplined students and committed faculty is a USP of our college. We work for overall development of students by organizing co-curriculum activities time to time for them.
With the best of teaching curriculum, they have practical and laboratory-based classes, in-house skill development programs, industry-relevant seminars and workshops, project-based learning, continuous evaluation of students, personal mentoring system for all students.
It's not just getting a degree. At JIT we give the training to the students, which is hands-on training, in which they get all the guidance from all the faculties to design various projects. Like from the inception of the engineering, from the first year itself, we train them to make different projects and we send them to various IITs for the presentation of these projects.
Well-equipped classrooms, physics lab, electronics lab, chemistry lab, computer lab and library with number of books.
Our college isn't all about classroom studies. They also give us proper practical education through labs and workshops.
Our final year student install the solar panel that will generate the electricity and reduce the electricity bill of our college.
The institute has all basic facilities like gymnasium, sports, cafeteria, hostel for both girls and boys with variety of meals in the mess, well-connecting transport system, Wi-Fi enabled campus, etc.
We organize different types of events during the cultural events in our college, like Rostrum, in which technical events are organized like RoboWar and many LAN gaming, which is related to computers. And we also organized a blood donation camp every year in our college.
At JIT, the path of technological aspirations is a 4-year degree course. That is, Bachelor's in Technology in Computer Science, Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering.
The people of this college are quite supporting, starting from the faculties to the management team to the directors. We got several other things to support people, like we got an entrepreneurship cell that supports people for starting their own business. People can start their own business. I am also a part of this entrepreneurship cell and presently I am running an NGO named Kachi Pencil.
The team at Training and Placement Cell works together to polish technical and behavioral skills of students.
We have come up with a thing that is called as Incubation Center in the college campus, where students will be given all the basic facilities that is required for them to be trained as a startuppreneurs. Just to be the entrepreneur in the industries. Budding entrepreneurs, we are giving all the requirement, that is the basic infrastructure requirement, mentorship, any kind of machinery that they require, any kind of software that they require, we do provide them all. The students should not be only the job seekers, they should be the job creators also. Theoretical knowledge is not only required nowadays when you actually go in the practical world. So we are trying to give them an actual industry exposure by sending the students in the various industries across India.
Jaipur Institute of Engineering and Technology equips future engineers and is a place of fertile interactions, a college where people and ideas come together in new ways.
So if you're looking for something niche, this is the place to be.